In this video, I'll detail how to turn off eye protection in iPhone. So if your iPhone eye protection is enabled, such that it turns on at sunset and turn off at sunrise, or you set a schedule in which your iPhone will automate itself to turn on the eye protection, then this video is going to show you how you can easily turn it off. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn off eye protection in iPhone, all you just need to do is you either swipe down the control center like this, press and hold the brightness button, and here disable night shift. Just click on this to disable it. Once you tap that, this is going to turn off the night shift like this. Enabled, then disabled. Also, if you want to completely disable or turn off the eye protection on your iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the iPhone settings page, scroll down and click on display and brightness. Now once you selected that, you want to scroll down until you see night shift. Then you can see my night shift is set to 8 p.m. to 8 a.m. That is my eye protection. Then click on night shift. To disable your night shift, just disable scheduled. So once disabled, that is going to completely disable or turn off eye protection on your iPhone. Then you can just hit the power button and you are good to go. So that is how to turn off eye protection in iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.